You've probably seen or heard the post that you need to change your toothbrush after recovering from COVID-19. This is definitely true, and here is why.
The Debunk Fact-Checking Show.
Welcome to the Debunk Audio Fact-Checking Show, where we demystify misinformation and fake news, giving you clarity and evidence-based data to help you make sense of the facts. My name is Edgar Matthew Karuhanga. Now, dentists recommend that changing a toothbrush after recovering from COVID-19 will help a person avoid reinfection of the virus. This is how. According to Dr. Bhumika Madan, a dental consultant at Akash Healthcare Hospital in India, the virus piles up on a toothbrush, which is known to cause respiratory tract infections like COVID-19. Do you use a tongue cleaner? If yes, you will have to drop that as well. The World Health Organization cautions that things used by a COVID-19 patient have a lot of viral concentration and, if touched, can spread the virus even more. All clothes or material previously used by a recovered patient must be thoroughly washed with precaution and exposed to the UV light in the sun. So, to keep your family and those around you safe, it will be better if such toiletry is disposed of immediately after recovery. Keep wearing your mask, stay home, and follow all the COVID-19 guidelines. Don't forget to share this message to help the world be safe and free from COVID-19. For more facts, download the MCI Radio app on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. We've also got the video fact checks as well. Feel free to log on to our YouTube channel, and that is at the Media Challenge Initiative. My name is Edgar. Stay verified.
The Debunk Fact-Checking Show clarifies facts from myths and misinformation. For more of these, follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Media Challenge Initiative. You can also support by sharing this message with your friends.